How to change passcode on iPhone 17? Well, it's a similar process with all of the iOS device. It's pretty simple and a quick process. So let's get started with the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and you need to head over to Face ID and Passcode. Enter the passcode of a device. Once entered, scroll down and you'll see the option where it says Change Passcode. Tap on it. Enter your current password. Now you can also choose passcode options. Let me select 4-digit. Now enter the new passcode as you want to. Once you have entered, you have to re-enter the new passcode. After that, simply click on Done. And then the passcode on iPhone 17 will be changed. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.